I have a lot to say. Today I would like to talk about and share information regarding free therapy, mind nutrition. During the most traumatic time of my life, I found myself reflecting on and being appreciative of the simple things, thanking God that I was able to wake up and take charge of my day. During this time specifically, I found myself being drawn to nature, God's free therapy in the atmosphere of a day. Taking in the scenery outside around me, I would find joy, confirming peace, and encouragement through the simple things of nature. The warm sun that shined down and rejuvenated my body, the calming breeze that blew past me, vitality in the air that filled my lungs. This practice of taking in the atmosphere of a day, I still do. Stay tuned to see some free therapy, real pictures and scenery that I've been blessed to be alive to witness right outside my door. Just when you think the beauty of the day has gone, evening comes.